Good morning, children. Very good morning. As last class we have discussed about second chapter inside the earth. I have given exercise. Last class I dictated the exercises, that is question answers, and followed by multiple choice and match the following. Correct? Now this class we are going to discuss, that is on the 2nd February 2001 for geography. We will discuss about map properties. It is relatively general. It is for general knowledge. It will be used for general knowledge. If we there for next year, of course, to engage you in the class, I would like to inform you the nuclear power stations in India. What are the nuclear power stations in India and where these all nuclear power stations located in India? This will be very, very useful for your competitive examinations and it's for your general knowledge. It's very important for your GK. Let us discuss, children. Please write down. Make a note. The important nuclear power stations in India is. Make a note. Important nuclear power stations in India. Children, in India, there are 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. What are those? Now I'll write down. I'll write down the name of the important nuclear power stations. Number 1, I'll write These are the 7 nuclear power stations in India. Sorry, 6 important nuclear power stations. Starting from number 1 is Nauda nuclear power station. Next one is Rawatbhat, or you say Kota. Because Kota is familiar. It is a education center and as important competitive examination center is JEE, IIT. So, good institution, education center, Rawatbhat or Kota nuclear power station. It is in Rajasthan. It is in Jaipur. Then come to Kakrapara, Dharapur, Kaiga, and Kalpana. These are the 6 important nuclear power stations. There are 6 important nuclear power stations. Number 1 is Nauda. Number 1 is Rawatbhat. Third one is Kakrapara. 4th one is Dharapur, 5th one is Kaiga, and 6th one is Kalpana. These are the important nuclear power stations. You can write down important nuclear power stations. Important nuclear power stations in India are: number 1 is Nauda, number 2 is Rawatbhat, number 3 is Kakrapara, Khara, Kakrapara. 4th one is Dharapur nuclear power station. 5th one is Kaiga nuclear power station. 6th one is Kalpakam. These are the 6 nuclear power stations. Clear? Number 1 is Nauda, number 2 Rawatbhat, number 3 Kakrapara, number 4 Dharapur, number 5 Kaiga, number 6 is Kalpakam. These are the 6 nuclear power stations. Now children, we will discuss where these nuclear power stations are located. Where these 6 nuclear power stations are located. Each nuclear power plant is located in different places. Yes, for example, Nauda is Uttar Pradesh. You write down UP. Nauda nuclear power station is located in Uttar Pradesh. Noida it is in Uttar Pradesh. Number 2. Now let us come to second one. That is Rawalbhat or Kota. As I said, it is right now Rajasthan. Right down, it is in Rajasthan. Second is Rajasthan. And come to third one is Kakrapara. Kakrapara is in Gujarat. It is Gujarat. Yes. Kakrapara is in Gujarat. Next come to fourth one is Maharashtra. It is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra. Fifth one is it is Kaiga. It is Karnataka. Karnataka. Kaiga, Karnataka. Last one is Kalkam. It is Tamil Nadu. M-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. Kalkam. K-L-A-M. Kalkam. It is Tamil Nadu. K-E-A-M-I-L-N-A-D. Tamil Nadu. So each state is located so and so. This is very important for competitive examinations. Like IAS, IPS, and NDE. Any competition exam, generally these objective questions will ask one. So and so nuclear power station located in state of, and name the nuclear power station in the state of. Multiple choice. Assume all A, B, C, D options will be given. You have to choose the right power plant or so and so power plant located in the state of. Neither nor. Either state can ask nor nuclear power station can be asked. Clear? So therefore, we have to be learned this is nuclear power station. Every name of the power station, where it is situated, it should be on fingertips. Yes. Number 1 is Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Rawalbhat, Rajasthan, Kakrapara, Gujarat, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, and Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. This is how we have to learn. And sometimes you can see, now we can match this also. Yes. Noida, yes, Uttar Pradesh, then Rawalbhat, Rajasthan, Tarapur, Gujarat, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. So like this, you can match ourselves. So what I want to tell you, children, here you should learn this case. GK, one day you will learn. It should be memorized slowly, every day you have to memorize. Yes. Important nuclear power stations. Yes. One is Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Rawalbhat where Rajasthan, Kakrapara, Gujarat, Kaiga nuclear power station, Karnataka, then Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. But even some of the boys, you are so intelligent. I know you are the modern nowadays. You boys, even though you have been entertaining or you have been watching software technology, come up with very good skills in the technology. But at the same time, even some of the boys doesn't know where these states are located. Political map. You are not thorough with the political map. So at this we have studied about first standard about social studies we have learned. So you have to be very, very clear about the country, India, political system, administrative system, how many states are there, how many union territories are there, and each state where it is located. Okay, which are the eastern states, which are the western states, which are the northern states, which are the southern states, which are the central states. Once if you are familiarized with all the states where it is located, then it will be very easy. And you come to know, when you know this so and so, not only nuclear power station, so and so port, coal mine, iron steel plant, okay, international airport, software technology parks, okay, and oil producing centers, iron ore mines, thermal power stations. So it is once if you know these states and capitals, So all these things very easily you can point out. Once you are familiarized with the states perfectly, states and headquarters and capitals, and it will be very easy to identify whether it is nuclear power stations, whether it is thermal power stations, it is iron ore mines, or oil producing centers, or minerals producing centers, or cotton textile centers, or jute settled centers, which are the coffee producing states, which are the tea producing states, which are the rice producing states, which are the wheat producing states. To take any crop or anything related to India, you can easily you can point out, you will come to know this. That's what you should learn, my children. That's why I am telling you this class. To entertain this class is a wasting time. So therefore, I am telling you this is nuclear power is very important, especially for CBSE, especially for CBSE exam. It's very important. There's one map point will ask. Important nuclear power stations. So and so nuclear power station located in the state of. Of course, in the CBSE examination, exact point will be shown, and you have to you have to write the name of the nuclear power station. You have to write the name of the nuclear power station. So it will be very easy. That's why instead of writing, you should be aware of this. You should, unless you know the name of the nuclear power station, where it is located. Once you are confirmed, once you are familiarized, then easily anything you ask, they ask, you can able to find out. Now children, tell me now, where is Kaiga? Kaiga is in Karnataka. Yes. Where is Tarapur? Yes, in Maharashtra. Where is Kalpakam? Tamil Nadu. Where is Nauda? Uttar Pradesh. Where is Kakrapara? Gujarat. Where is Rawatgarh? It is in Rajasthan. There is one more instead of Kalpakam or Kundakulam. Kalpakam is in where? Tamil Nadu. Recently also there is one more thermal plant, nuclear power plant started in Tamil Nadu. That is Kundakulam. Kundakulam, it is also in Tamil Nadu. Kundakulam. It is also located in Tamil Nadu. So this is how you should learn. Clear? So this is how one has to practice. Not only nuclear power stations, like many are there. Important thermal power stations are there. Important iron ore mines are there. Important mineral products, cotton textile centers, or rice pudding centers, or wheat pudding centers, right? Important coal mines. Which are the areas you can identify uranium and thorium. Uranium and thorium, because these are the nuclear natural sources. Okay, so any place easily can identify unless you know. That's why you should know all the states and headquarters very, very carefully. States and headquarters, everybody knows in the lower classes, very easy. I know even 10th class boys also, they are not familiarized with all the states. Even simply they take the help of the voice and start to point out that which is not correct. Because nowadays you are very sharp, you are able to do this thing, you are able to do sharp things. Yes. Okay. Understood? Important nuclear power stations. Important nuclear power stations. Nuclear power stations in India. Clear once again? I have a glance at the important nuclear power stations. There are 6 important nuclear power stations in India, starting from Nauda, Uttar Pradesh, Rawatgarh, Rajasthan, or you can say Kota, then Kakrapara, Gujarat, then Tarapur, Maharashtra, then Kaiga, Karnataka, and Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu. Kalpakam, or you can say one more, Kundakulam. Kundakulam also is in Tamil Nadu. These are the 6 most important nuclear power stations. They are the 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. Which are the most important nuclear power stations? That is starting from Navda, Rawalbhat, Kaiga, Kalpakam, Tarapur, Rawalbhat, nuclear, Kaiga, Kalpakam, Tarapur, Kakarpara, Navda, Rawalbhat, Kakarpara, Tarapur, Kaiga, Kalpakam, Navda, Rawalbhat, or you can say Kottayas. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. All the southern states. Okay, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, south, Gujarat, western side, Rajasthan, northwest, UP, northern side. Yeah, UP has been divided. Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, UK. UP and UK, not United Kingdom, it is a Uttarakhand. Not United Kingdom, it is a Uttarakhand, UK. Uttar Pradesh or UK. It has been divided into 2 states. Earlier it was a single state. The most densest population is, when you take about Rajasthan, this is the largest state at present. If you take, at present, if you take largest state in India is, which is Rajasthan. Right? These are the 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and the next class will go ahead with the other chapter, that is clear.